Here I'm going to take, this is a demonstration on, I'm going to take an old painting that's been laying around for a while, and I'm going to add a sky and some water technique to it. I'm going to use a graded wash, and I've got the board at almost a vertical position on my easel, and I'm starting out with Cobalt Blue at the very top, and I'm brushing along with an old bristle brush, just to put it across the top to get it started. You can see the water running down because I've got it at a very vertical position almost, but that's good. It's going to keep the paint flowing down, which is what I wanted to do. Now I'm going to pick up some yellow ochre, and that I'm going to continue on with the wash on down. And you can see the blending already because of the gravity of the high angle of the paper is going down. Look at that beautiful graded wash. It just automatically does it. That's really important. Now I'm going to start down here in the water now. Now I'm going to start with the yellow ochre first, going across the bottom of the painting underneath the landscape, a little bit of land there next to the boats. And then after that, I'm going to go back and add in the cobalt blue. Again, same colors in the sky except a different arrangement from the yellow ochre to the blue. And you can see already, because of the angle of the paper up and down, the graded wash is automatically blending. This has done a great job, I tell you. I really love this technique, and it's something you can use on an old painting or on a painting that you're working on. So I recommend you try this. You can see the nice graded flow of colors, and they go back together very nicely.